This is a Tenchi puzzle and I will show you how to solve it in this video. This puzzle was designed by Frédéric Boucher and made by Greg Puzzles. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on the Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to pack all the parts inside of the frame in such a way that when you leave the frame, the pieces will stay within the frame. They won't be falling out of the frame, which will be quite a challenge since there is only one piece, one voxel here in the middle of the frame that will hold all the parts. And if you put at least one of the parts in the wrong way, they will definitely go through the frame and fall as soon as you leave the frame. So it will be quite an interesting challenge. If you like the Tenchi puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So I'll start with this piece. I put it right in here. The next one will be this piece. I put it next to the first one. Then I grab this part and put it inside like that. The next piece will be this one. I have to put it from the bottom like that. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts left. Which one will be the next? This one is the next. You have to put it with this sticking out piece down and slide under the part that was sticking out in the frame. As you can see now, only one piece is falling out. The rest are held by the frame. That is already a huge progress. Next, this tiny piece, it goes right in here into this spot like that. We have 2 parts left. One goes in here. This piece goes right in here. Now, very important part, you shift both parts to the left, grab this piece and put it like that. Not like that, but like that with this cut out facing towards yourself, like that. Now, extremely important step, you have to grab the puzzle, tilt it to the right, and now the puzzle is solved. If you leave the frame, the parts are staying within the frame. They are not falling out from either of the sides of the frame. If you want to remove the parts, all you have to do here is to tilt the box to the left. One tiny piece will fall down and then you can easily remove the rest of the parts and the puzzle will be disassembled. And that was the solution of the Tenchi puzzle. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other awesome designs from Frédéric Boucher, go to puzzlemaster.ca.